Today we're doing a ribbon cutting for our new addition as well as our renovated V Hall, which is our AP capstone wing. The new addition is 32 new classrooms for West Florence High School. Those classrooms allowed us to get rid of our 22 mobiles. Predominantly in this building is a freshman academy now, so the majority of our freshmen now will take their classes, which puts them in a setting that is conducive to them. Coming from middle school, it is a large transition coming into high school. Getting them from class to class and truly focusing on academics, this building has allowed us to do that.
This is one of the most amazing days for me because for the 10 years I've been on this board, this is what I've been excited about and trying to get done. They needed it so desperately, and it looked like it just wasn't going to happen. But we never gave up. We worked really, really hard, and finally it's together, and here we are this evening, and it's amazing.
We creatively were able to package timelines and funding in a way that allowed us the success to be here tonight, now at the start of the school year instead of halfway into the school year. The students, I believe, deserve to have quality classrooms across the board. We as a community can certainly do better than simply hauling in mobile units for classrooms. We need to plan ahead and do the right thing by our students, and that's what we've done.
I think my first impression of the new building was just how beautiful it was. The first thing I thought when I walked over here was, wow, it just looks way different than the old side of the building. The renovations that are on V Hall, it just makes the building feel more inviting, it feels more open, it feels more home. The community that we have here at West Florence is emulated in what the buildings look like.
A lot of the students, especially my grade, are jealous that the ninth graders get to indulge in this whole new building all 4 years, first class in it. Yeah, a lot of the students are very excited and they like the way the building is looking.
It finally brings West Florence into a safe educational environment. Getting rid of 22 mobiles and adding these 32 classrooms has really brought a sense of pride in our school and our students. And just in the short 2 weeks we've been here, I've noticed the difference in their actions.